Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Got our ticket?
Yeah.
I don't know, this seems like it's gonna be hard to ride on this tram with all these people around.
I finally finished my soda. Yes.
Okay.
Any faster though.
I know this is freaking so fast.
Their feet today.
Are you all right?
Oh no. Oh, we're just looking.
Okay, maybe we have to keep going down then.
Change it. Go. Go.
Our next stop is Gate 1 in the Education and Commercial Building, where you can explore exhibits such as hobbies and crafts.
Look at that line for the crack and cheese. I've never had it.
Man, Christopher, we should have came here with stuffed turkey leg with cheese in it.
Stuffed turkey leg.
Yeah, look, Christopher, look, right in the picture.
I'm too old for that kitty tray.
You knew it.
Too old for that kitty tray now because now I'm way taller than the sign that say yes, no,
Great teams have great leaders, great football players have great coaches, and happy home buyers have a great local agent to guide them through the process. Hey, it's Barry and James from Hometown Realty. Our HTR agents are more than experienced. They provide a level of local knowledge and confidence you just won't find anywhere else. We are customer driven, plus HTR agents support the communities you live in. You probably know an HTR agent already. For buying or selling, choose HTR. Every town is a hometown. Check us out on My HTR. Goodness grows in North Carolina at the Kern Scott Building.
You know, with all the spinning and tilted.
but the zero gravity tilts more.
And also the Kern Scott Building. Please watch your step as you depart from the tram and check for all personal items. Please watch your step as you depart from the visit our website, combatwarriors.org. Farmers and the North Carolina State Fair and enjoy your visit. And since we didn't do this in 2020, it'll be okay if you come back again.
This is Labor Commissioner Josh Dawson. I hope you enjoyed the 2021 North Carolina State Fair, the best state fair in the country. Our amusement ride inspectors have done their job making sure rides are mechanically safe for you to enjoy. Please help us reduce injuries by paying close attention to the safety signs posted throughout the fair. Be safe while making great memories and enjoy the ride. It was worth the wait.